I'm Fitri. I'm recording this video to fulfill the assignment from my teacher Steve Nashbit, especially for the weather and climate data analytics. So the teacher made a repository, and then after we accepted the assignment, I had to raise repository under the module, and then for the creator and for the second assignment I need to make like a simple code by using Python 3, and this is the and this is my code. It's very simple because the teacher asks us to have like input and output display in the terminal. That's why after some editing, for your information, I'm still in the main branch. That's why I just need to run this code. That's why they ask like insert your temperature. You can just put like, for example, here, and then relative humidity, and then just type here. That's why your dew point is here. So this is like a simple code, and this is like after I made this one, I did like a git push to the GitHub, and this is the display of my GitHub. So I've just made edit like 3 minutes ago because I edit some thing in the main branch. And then because the assignment also asks us to have like at least one active branch, that's why I made this kind of branch feature readme instruction, in which in this branch I work to edit the readme file. So the readme itself is about the explanation behind the code. So the code is the code is made actually the equation is made by Mark J. Lawrence, and I made the code from this one, and this only for the moist air. And so if you have like relative humidity more than 50%, the dew point calculator that I've made maybe will be appropriate. But because I made this code is like open, that's why it feel free if you have an update or you want to add some code that related to another weather condition. So this is like my copyright. And then this one is the history of my pull request. So after I edit the readme, and then I made a pull request, and then I merge with the main branch, and this is like the final look or final display of my assignment in the module shared by the teacher. And overall, this one is my profile in GitHub. So I made like a new repository with the name of myself, so I can this kind of readme. And then this one is the code that I made. I tried my best to follow PEP 8. I hope this satisfy the assignment. I mean like as the teacher asks. Okay, thank you, bye.